In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to update Amazon Kindle reading app. Let's get started. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app name Amazon Kindle and search for it. After app appears, click on it. Now if you see the option of update over here, click on it and update the app to its latest version. In case you don't see the option of update, if you see the option of open as mine, that means your app is already up to date. If you're using Windows or Mac, open the Kindle app and check for updates if the option is available, or download the latest version from Amazon official Kindle download page and install it over your existing version. Once the update is complete, open the Kindle app and sign in if necessary. You will now be using the latest version with all the newest improvements and bug fixes. So that's it. This way you can easily update Amazon Kindle reading app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.